The process of COICOP classification will be explained in this part. The data that is acquired from the crawling process from mydean.com will be processed using matching and similarity to classify into each level of COICOP to generalize the classification. Classification of individual consumption according to purpose, or COICOP, is the international reference classification that divides the purpose of an individual consumption expenditures. The objective of COICOP is to provide a framework of homogeneous categories of goods and services which are considered a function or purpose of household consumption expenditure. COICOP is divided into a 4 structural level, starting from the highest division followed by group, class until item. Each level has codes to represent the classification: division with 2-digit numbers, group with 3-digit numbers, class with 4-digit numbers, and item with 7-digit numbers. For example, the following chart shows COICOP structural level of Division 01, food and non-alcoholic beverages, which will be divided into 2 COICOP group, 011, food, and 012, non-alcoholic beverages. Digging into the next level, there are COICOP class 0121, coffee, tea, and cocoa, and 0122, mineral waters, soft drinks, fruit and vegetable juices, which have their own COICOP item as shown below. The data processing starts by crawling processes from online retailers, in this case mydean, and collected into data source. Data source will be processed in COICOP classification along with list of COICOP to get the final outcome data. The picture shows item details in the website of mydean.com. There are several information that have been crawled from the website. The information will be used in the classification process. With COICOP are category and title information. Data source have several usable information but will focus on title and category information. Here is an example of the data source. There are title, category 2, category 3, and category 4 that will be useful for classification process. Each title in mydean will be matched or classified into COICOP classification. The following graph shows the flowchart of classification process. The process starts with pre-processing data source and COICOP to get clean information and will be saved as pre-processed data. The pre-processed data will be processed using rule base to define the best match COICOP division and COICOP group from given category in the data. Result of rule-based will collect in processed data and will be processed using matching and similarity process. The process is done by using applied Levenshtein distance algorithm in matching fuzzy, and all the result is collected in final classified data. This section will explain further details about pre-processing data. The following graph shows the pre-processing data. The data source and COICOP will be processed in data cleaning and data extraction to get clean version for the next process. The result will be collected into pre-processed data. The cleaning process is removing any invalid or unwanted characters to get a clean version for each title. The following table shows comparison between title and title clean after removing any invalid or unwanted characters. The clean result will be useful for the next process to get optimal results in matching and similarity process. All punctuation in column title has been removed to get a clean result which is collected in title clean. The following image shows the script of cleaning process, starting from removing the punctuations, then continuing to remove the combination number and size such as kilogram, gram, pieces, milliliter, and etc. The extraction process is separating each title from the data into several attributes. The attributes consist of brand, raw title, core title, series, size, and quantity. The objective of extraction process is to get optimal result in matching or similarity process. The attributes that will be used are raw title and core title, while brand, series or variant, and size or quantity will be ignored in the matching or similarity process. For example, here is the given title: Marigold Yogurt Drink 0% Fat Mango 200 gram. The title will be extracted to several attributes: Marigold as a brand, Yogurt Drink 0% Fat Mango as raw title, and 200 gram as size or quantity. The raw title could be divided into Yogurt Drink as core title and 0% Fat Mango as series or variant. The following image shows the script of extraction process and starting from extracting brand, raw title, and series. The following table show example result of Mydean's data extraction. Each title will have several addition attributes such as raw title, core title, and series. The addition attributes will be useful to get optimal result in matching and similarity process with list of COICOP. For example, Marigold Asian Drink Lychee 1 liter in title extracted to Asian Drinks Lychee in raw title and drinks in core title. Same as Mydean, there's also extraction process for list of COICOP for each level. The objective of the extraction process is to get a clean version that will be useful to get the optimal result in matching and similarity process. For example, in COICOP class shown in the table that 011 bread and cereals ND separated into two rows, bread and cereal. The extraction is applied to English and Malay versions. This section will explain further information about classification process. The following flowchart shows the classification process starting with the input pre-processed data into the rules base to get COICOP division and COICOP group. The process continues to evaluate the result for each title that matched with COICOP division and COICOP group. It will continue to matching process with COICOP class and COICOP item under the matched division and group. For the title that did not match with COICOP division and COICOP group, it will continue to matching process with all listed COICOP item, then extracting COICOP division, COICOP group, and COICOP class. Both results from matching process have several scores that will be used for score evaluation to define the best classification for each title. The result will be defined to full matched when the score is equal to 100, while the rest will be defined to partially matched. The following table shows COICOP division and COICOP group that is identified by each given category 02 and category 03 from data source, MyDin. The dictionary will help for each title in Category 2 and Category 3 to directly process using match and similarity process into COICOP class and COICOP item under specific division and group. It will lead to specific COICOP item and give optimal result. The distance calculation in the Levenstein distance algorithm is the principal algorithm that has been used for matching and similarity process. The distance used in automated accuracy checking calculation to obtain the matching score. The algorithm applied to fuzzy string matching methods to do calculation of the ratio of similarity between two strings. The following image shows the script of matching and similarity process. This part shows similarity score between given category 04, raw title, core title, and COICOP class, and also COICOP division. The score will be saved and used for score calculation to get the best classification for each title from data source MyDin. The following table shows processing result of original title, Marigold yogurt drink 0% fat mango 200 gram based on pre-processing and rule-based. The similarity of category 04, raw title with all listed COICOP item under division 01 and group 011 will be calculated. For example, calculate similarity with 011 4304 yogurt and 0122004 fruit juices. The result showed that the original title have bigger score with yogurt compared to fruit juices. The score will be evaluated to define the best classification for the final outcome of data. This section will explain further information about final outcome data. The following table shows several titles from data source that have exact score of 100 based on their similarity score. The title will define as perfect match final outcome data. The following table shows several titles from data source that have score below 100 based on their similarity score. The title will define as partially matched final outcome data. The program we are using to do all the COICOP classification process is written in Python language and executed in Python 3.
The section will explain further information about perfect match data result. The section will explain further information about partial match data result.